Alright, so I know you guys been waiting for like a month for this video, and I'm sorry it took so long. I didn't expect the car to take this long to get here, but the new car is literally right. You guys ready? Without further ado, here is my new car. Wow. This is it, you guys. It's real. Man, if it focused. It's real, guys. I got a R32. I got an R32 GTR. And I don't know. I don't know what to say. I literally can't believe it, you know? This feels so cool. Somebody pinch me, because I think I'm dreaming. Wow. I hope you guys like it. What do you think? Right-hand drive life. Should be fun. I got a lot more content planned out for you guys, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 1,000 subs, so I just want to thank you guys for all of your support, and I hope seeing this video kind of motivates you guys into pretty much, you know, trying to get whatever it is that you're trying to get, or get to the level in life that you want to. And yeah, I'm really tired, as you could tell. I waited almost a month for the car to get here, and I know you guys were waiting too, so again, I'm sorry, but I'll be uploading again regularly, at least one time a week. So, you know, new car, GTR, holy shit. Like, just say it with me, guys. GTR. GTR. What the fuck? Wow. Alright, this is gonna be it. I just wanted to show the car real quick. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to enter the giveaway, you still have time. I'm not at 1,000 yet. I'm like at 920 or something like that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you like GTRs, and I'll see you guys next video.